So student, we have already studied how to divide a polynomial by monomial or binomial. There is another method that is linear division method, but due to corona pandemic, that portion is erased from your syllabus for this year. So now we are going to study next method of division, that is synthetic division method. And for that, I have considered example. This one. Divide 2 to the power 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 5y minus 4 by y minus 1. Now let's study how this method works or how we can use this method for division. First of all, whatever dividend given to you, whatever, it should be in index form. It should be in index form. So here, index form. Index form of this one. So here 2y to the power 4 minus 3y cube plus 0y plus 5y minus 4. That is the index form of your polynomial. Now you have to convert this index form into coefficient form. You have to convert this index form into coefficient form. That is coefficient form. Coefficient form. So here 2 minus 3, 0, 5 and minus 1. Okay. So what you want to do, whatever dividend, if it is not in standard form, so convert it standard form, then convert it into index form and then convert it into coefficient form. And then in this way, make portion. Now whatever this coefficient, you have right here, giving some discussion. So apart from this first coefficient, then minus 3, then 0, then 5, then minus 4. In this way, you have to write this coefficient apart here. Okay, now, so that is your dividend that we have written in index form. Now we want a divisor. Okay, we want divisor. So what are this portion? That is your divisor, but as we are using only number coefficient, so here for divisor, here whatever this portion, whatever, or if you simplify this, whatever this portion, we have to take its additive inverse. Additive inverse. We have to take its additive inverse. So whatever this minus 1, this portion, its additive inverse will be plus 1. So right here plus 1. And there is no need to write plus 1. Okay. Now how to perform this division? First of all, here, these two, you have to write as it is below this line. And first one, this first number, first coefficient, we have to write as it is below this line. Okay? After writing here, you have to perform multiplication of these two. Whatever size with sign. You have to perform multiplication of these two. So 1 into 2, 2. Whatever product we get, that we have to write here below the second coefficient. So this product will be 2. Okay? Product will be 2. This product you have to write below the next coefficient. Now in these two numbers, whatever addition subtraction, that we have to perform. Addition subtraction between these two. Minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Okay. After writing number here, you have to perform this product again. Perform this product. Okay. Perform addition subtraction, whatever answer get, we have write below this line, and then whatever number we have written here, perform this product. 1 into minus 1. That is minus 1. So whatever answer we get, right below the next coefficient, that is minus 1. Okay. Now perform addition or subtraction of these two. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Okay. Then again we have to perform product of these two. And whatever answer we get, have to write below the next coefficient. So this 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Perform the addition subtraction. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. That is 4. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. Now again, you have to perform product of these two. Again, you have to perform product of these two. 1 into 4, that is 4. Write this product below the next coefficient. 1 into 4, 4. So minus 4 plus 4, 0. So what will be your last answer? That is last answer. You have to make such square bracket for your last answer. You have to make such square for your last answer. In this way, we have performed product. Now, whatever we get, that we will display this box, that is your remainder. This box, that is your remainder. And this one is your quotient. This one is your quotient. That is remainder, that is quotient, that is divisor, that is dividend. Now, further. We doesn't got answer completely. Now, further. Further. Now, this box, last answer is your remainder. Now, this one is your quotient. Now, that quotient is in your coefficient form. Quotient in coefficient form. So here I write coefficient 2 minus 1, again minus 1, and then 4. That is quotient in coefficient form. Now convert this quotient into index form. Convert this quotient into index form. Now here, count this number 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 numbers. So your power of starting variable, that will be less than 1. So that is 3. 4 numbers, so power will be less by 1, that is 3. Now what a variable, that is quotient in form of y. So here you have to use variable y. So power 3. So you can start with power 3. 2y cube minus 1y square minus 1y plus 4. That is your quotient in index form. And here you can convert it in standard form. In standard form. So here standard form 2y cube minus y square minus y plus 4. So here we get quotient in standard form. And now final answer, that is dividend. Whatever our quotient dividend, 2y to the power 4. Therefore, 2y to the power 4 minus 3y cube plus 5y minus 4. That is equal to. That is equal to. Quotient divisor, that is y minus 1. That is your divisor into quotient. That is your quotient 2y cube minus y square minus y plus 4. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is your remainder plus remainder. So using that formula what we have studied earlier in the form of dividend equal to. That is your formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In this formula, we have put down the value. Okay? So here we have studied synthetic division method. Now to clear your idea, I will consider some more problems from practice stage. Now this arrow given for your convenience. You don't have to give arrows. Now I consider question from practice set. practice set 3.3, and in that there are 6 questions. 2 questions are eliminated from your syllabus, so only 4 questions. So for your convenience, I am considering question number 3rd. Question number 3rd, and question number 3rd is y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. That we have to consider. Okay, so what is your dividend? Dividend, that is y cube minus 216. First of all, check whether it is in standard form or not. It is already in standard form. Now convert it in index form. Index form. So here index form will be y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 216. In this way, convert dividend into index form. And now convert this dividend into coefficient form. Coefficient form. Convert it into coefficient 1, then 0, then 0, and then minus 216. Okay? After converting this, arrange such box. We can write numbers here and some space below it and then line. First of all, write on this coefficient here apart from each other. First coefficient 1, next 0, next 0, next minus 216. In this way, write on this coefficient apart from one another. Now we want divisor here. Here divisor. But we want divisor in the form of number. So here, check this. Whatever this number, it's additive inverse. Additive inverse number. That you have to write here. So here minus 6, so here will be plus 6. Okay? You have write its additive inverse number here. Plus 6. Now, this first number here, as it is. First number, as it is, you have write below this line. And now multiply this 6 into 1. Multiply this 2. 6 into 1, 6. Write on this answer below the next coefficient. So say 6 into 1, 6 right here. Now perform their addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. So 0 plus 6, 6. Now multiply these two. 6 into 6, 36. Whatever answer you get, right below the next coefficient. So here, answer 36, right here. Now perform their addition or subtraction. So whatever number we write here, you have to perform their addition or subtraction, and whatever number here, you have to perform product of these two. Now 0 plus 36, 36. Right? It will written here. Now perform these two products. 6 into 36. That is 216 below the next number. Perform this addition or subtraction, we get answer 0. And whatever last term, that you have to make bracket for last term. Now this last term is your remainder. Last term is your remainder. And this one, what will you get this one? This one is your quotient. This one is your quotient, but that is in coefficient form. So here quotient in coefficient form. 1, 6, 36. Now convert this into index form. Index form. So that will be 1. Check here coefficient y, variable y. So here 1, 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits. So power, starting power will be less by 1. So power 2. So here power of y will be 2. 1y square plus 6y plus 36. And we never write coefficient 1. So here standard form now. Standard form. that is y square plus 6y plus 36. That is your question, that is your reminder, that is divisor, that is dividend. So here we can write in this form using formula dividend equal to divisor into question plus reminder. Here y cube minus 216 is equal to divisor y minus 6 into question y square plus 6y plus 36 plus remainder 0. Here, what are two examples we have taken? In both the examples, we got remainder 0. But in some examples, it will be other than 0. Whatever, that is your last term, that is your remainder. Whether it is 0, positive integer, negative, whatever, last term is your remainder. Okay? So here we stop.